In this short tutorial, we are gonna fix YouTube page not loading problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. I recommend watching the video once before trying the solutions. The solution consists of several steps. First, we will clear YouTube's data. Accumulated cache files can sometimes cause issues. To do this, we open our browser. Then, we click on the three dots in the upper left and open Settings. I am showing this in Chrome because I am using Chrome. You can find how to do this in Opera and Firefox in the description. After opening Settings, we click on Privacy and Security on the left. Then, we click on Third-Party Cookies. We scroll down and click on See All Site Data and Permissions. After doing this, we type YouTube in the search bar. We click on the trash can icon and delete YouTube's cache files. We have cleared YouTube's data. Now we will clear the history. Since the problem began in the last 7 days, we will clear the browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files in the last 7 days. To do this, we return to Privacy and Security. Then, we click on Clear Browsing Data. After that, we tick all three options here and set the time range to the last 7 days. We click Clear Data and clear our browser's history. Finally, we will turn off AdBlock. Due to YouTube's new policies, we can no longer use YouTube with AdBlock extensions. Also, if you are using a browser that has AdBlock built in, switch to a different browser or disabling AdBlock if it's possible from the settings. That concludes the first solution. Now, you can open YouTube and check if the problem is solved or not. Before finish the video, I want to mention an alternative solution. The issue might be related to our browser. If that's the case, using a different browser can resolve the problem. You can use Opera, Firefox, or Brave until the issue is fixed on your browser. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.